want you to hold it. Why you get busy?
I just want them to see how to do this. I just want to show people how to do this shit so they don't have to buy another radiator. They can just take the top head off. Go to the junkyard, take your top head off, and you good. Take top head off. They want to get off some YouTube shit, y'all. Y'all can get me on some YouTube shit. I'm gonna get on some YouTube shit. Fuck it. Mechanic skills.
Mechanic bell.
Yep. Motherfucker ain't gonna leak nothing. Watch. It's gonna take pressure. Okay.
DIY one right here, the one on the end.
Yeah, on 2 ends. Talk to the people, Greg. What you say? Because I'd like to show them what you feel and then what
I'm the cameraman. You narrating the process.
Watch this. We gonna put this back together. Ain't gonna leak nothing.
Put a new head gasket on the radiator, baby. New head gasket on the radiator.
Yeah, new head gasket. That's what that is.
No leaks.
You want to do the first test with the water hose, Greg? First.
Oh, you got these few here? I want to hook it up.
You want to do the radiator test with the
put some pressure on it.
It's gonna leak, ain't it, Greg?
We gonna see. We gonna see a mechanic bell steering works.
Yeah. Epic.
You study putting yourself in debt, huh?
What, bet?
Huh? You study keep putting yourself in debt, man.
I know.
I'm gonna let you finish YouTube and then.
I know. He says, dude, great. Said, leave them up.
I ain't messing with the tray.
They look like they go with it.
I'm getting ready to get a zip.
Still have to change the tire, they too big.
No, you're not.
Man, that's...
They just right.
Mexican. Got this shit. We're gonna do the water test first.
You went all the way around?
Yep. Let's do the water test.
Water test.
Mm-hmm.